Hello and welcome to a new vlog and trip report, and today we're traveling with a very old train, a replacement train of TRI train rental from Würzburg to Lauda, where usually Go Ahead Baden-Württemberg is using the Stadler Flirt in the Bewegt design, and here we can see even two different historic trains arriving in Würzburg. We're traveling with this one, consisting of the class 146 locomotive and N cars, or n-Wagen in German. And I'm traveling in a car with the most original interior. And we are using this train today because the actual train of that line, the Stadler Flirt, is receiving a technical update, and therefore a few replacement trains have to be used here for Go Ahead Baden-Württemberg. As you've seen, there was also another replacement train that was Go Ahead Bayern. They are also using replacement trains at the moment, so currently you have a lot of very nice and interesting old trains, for example in Würzburg, but also in the cities of Stuttgart or Ansbach, and you can even go in that triangle between those three cities only using old replacement trains. So that's quite interesting, but in this video we will focus a bit more on the sound of those trains. As I've made already quite a few videos about those N cars or n-Wagen and the replacement trains of TRI, I will not talk too much about that, and we will enjoy the sound of those very nice old and rare trains a bit more, as this is what makes those trains quite unique. They are still proper trains and they do feel like a proper train and are quite rare in Germany, so you only have a chance to travel with a train like this in heritage trains or in replacement trains. They are not used on scheduled trains in Germany because they're quite old, they are not accessible, and of course they also do not have any features like power sockets or anything else that you would expect nowadays. But still, it's always very nice to travel with those trains and see them still in service. Also with TRI, they are sooner or later getting replaced by a bit more modern trains that they will use for their replacement train services. So if you have the chance to travel with a train like this, I would highly recommend doing so. We're now slowly approaching Lauda. My final stop. The train is going on in the direction of Stuttgart. We didn't stop at any stops in between as we are a regional express. There's also a regional train on that line that is stopping on all those intermediate stations, but we are going directly to Lauda. And here in Lauda we will now take a final look at the train arriving and departing the station. And that's already it for this video. I hope it was interesting and you enjoyed listening to the sound of this very nice train. Here you can see when the next video will be uploaded and the name of the song. As always, I'd like to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider to comment, like or share the video link. And if you want to see more videos like that, make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video then.